And then after that, they go to the water and drink like a tornado.
Thousands and thousands of them.
Look outside. Look over there. To your right. Yep.
Holy cow!
They go from tree to tree and eat all the bird.
Get the kraut and the pork going. The taters. I got him doing laundry. Inhaling New Year's dinner. Happy New Year's, everyone. Taco dip for New Year's, but I forgot and I already dived right into it, so. And that's just us. Football games on New Year's Day. What could be better? Playing our cornhole game that we got for Christmas. I think he beat me a few games. Oh. Oh. Yes. Yes.
That's your name. That's your new business. Things just got real. And to make sure you have real success, you need a reliable network. You need Spectrum Business. With over 99.9% reliability and value. It's the network that helps you connect all of your new devices, be more productive, and get your business noticed. Because when you have a great network, you can build something that you're proud to put your name on. Spectrum Business. Small business running.
Looks blurry though.
Huh?
Looks blurry though.
It's blurry. Not a focus. Not blurry. His favorite Rice Krispie peanut butter treats with chocolate on top. And my ultimate favorite